In the heart of fertile lands, where tradition meets innovation, the journey of premium cashew. Our journey begins in the sprawling cashew orchards, where nature's bounty ripens under the sun.
The unique cashew, apple, and nut grow together, ready for harvest. Harvesting is done with care to preserve the delicate fruit and nut.
Collected nuts are gathered and prepared for drying. Transporting nuts promptly preserves freshness and quality. Initial sorting ensures only the best nuts proceed to drying. Each nut's texture and color reflect its quality and maturity.
Weather monitoring ensures optimal drying conditions.
Nuts are spread out to dry evenly, reducing moisture content.
As the day ends, the nuts dry under the watchful eyes of skilled hands.
After harvest, raw cashew nuts are carefully dried under the sun to reduce moisture and preserve quality.
Uniform drying is essential to prevent mold and maintain freshness.
Regular turning ensures every nut dries evenly, maintaining quality. In addition to sun drying, controlled mechanical drying ensures optimal moisture levels.
Experts continuously monitor moisture levels to guarantee quality. Careful temperature control prevents over-drying or damage. Non-invasive sensors measure moisture content without damaging the nuts. Airflow circulation accelerates drying while preserving nut quality. Regular sampling ensures every batch meets strict moisture standards.
With moisture perfectly controlled, cashew nuts are ready for quality inspection and further processing.
Raw cashew nuts arrive at the processing plant, ready for thorough quality inspection.
Every batch is handled with care to maintain nut integrity.
Nuts are spread out for detailed visual inspection. With quality assured, cashew nuts are prepared for the next stage of processing.
Cashew nuts undergo thorough cleaning to remove dust, dirt, and impurities.
High-pressure water jets ensure every nut is thoroughly cleaned.
Operators maintain optimal cleaning conditions to protect nut quality. Vibrating screens remove unwanted particles and broken shells.
Size grading ensures uniformity for consistent quality and processing.
Real-time monitoring optimizes cleaning and grading performance.
Cleaned and graded nuts are transported carefully for further processing.
With cleaning and grading complete, nuts are ready for steaming and shelling.
Steaming softens the tough outer shell of cashew nuts, preparing them for easy shell removal.
Nuts are carefully arranged to ensure even exposure to steam.
Precise control of temperature and time guarantees consistent results.
Roasting develops rich flavors and aids in shell separation.
Even roasting ensures uniform texture and taste. Regular sampling maintains quality and safety standards. Regular maintenance ensures equipment operates efficiently and safely.
With steaming and roasting complete, nuts are ready for shell cutting and kernel separation.
In the shell cutting facility, machines carefully crack open the tough cashew shells without damaging the kernels inside. Precision engineering ensures shells are cracked cleanly and efficiently.
Operators continuously monitor and fine-tune the process to maintain quality and throughput.
Each kernel's quality is visible in its texture and color, a sign of careful processing.
Quality control ensures only clean, intact kernels proceed to peeling and trimming.
With shells removed, kernels are ready for drying, peeling, and final processing.
After shell removal, cashew kernels enter drying tunnels, where controlled heat reduces moisture to preserve freshness.
Uniform drying is critical to prevent mold and maintain the natural flavor.
Experts continuously monitor moisture levels to ensure optimal drying.
Advanced automation maintains precise environmental conditions throughout the drying process. Uniform drying is critical to prevent mold and maintain the natural flavor. Advanced automation maintains precise environmental conditions throughout the drying process. Proper storage conditions lock in freshness until kernels move to peeling and trimming. Once dried, kernels are transported carefully to maintain their quality.
In the peeling and trimming facility, cashew kernels are carefully processed to remove the thin brown skin and any imperfections.
Advanced peeling machines gently remove the skin without damaging the delicate kernels.
Hand sorting guarantees only the finest kernels proceed to packaging.
Precision machinery works in harmony with skilled hands.
With peeling and sorting complete, kernels are ready for final quality testing and packaging.
Ensuring food safety is paramount. Our state-of-the-art laboratory rigorously tests cashew kernels for contaminants and quality.
Metal detectors identify and remove any foreign particles to guarantee product safety. Samples are meticulously prepared to detect any microbial contamination.
Our experts analyze data to maintain the highest quality and safety.
Cutting-edge technology ensures every batch meets strict safety standards.
Only kernels that pass rigorous testing proceed to packaging.
All testing data is securely logged for transparency and compliance.
Our advanced packaging line ensures every bag of premium cashew kernels is filled, sealed, and labeled with care.
Precision filling guarantees consistent weight and quality in every package.
Sealing locks in freshness, protecting cashews from moisture and air.
Our labeling system ensures every package is clearly branded and ready for the market. Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards. Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards. Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
Our premium cashews begin their journey to markets around the world.
Finally, our premium cashews reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
From the first harvest to the final package, every step reflects our commitment to quality, care,